Welcome to this short discussion. This is Indrajit Mukherjee and I am from stockmaniacs.net. This discussion is on start trading in Zerodha, the number one discount broker. As the title suggests, we will discuss on how to start trading in Zerodha. And as you know, that Zerodha is my favorite number one discount broker of India. And this is basically an exclusive trick by me and the entire stockmaniacs.net team. So let us directly come to the points. Now a short description about me. This short webinar is presented by myself. I am Indrajit Mukherjee and I am the founder of www.stockmaniacs.net. Regarding how can you contact me, you can call, SMS or WhatsApp me at +91 9674321856. So my mobile number is 9674321856. You can also mail me at indrajit@zerodhapartner.com. So basically, as from the mail ID you can understand, I am one of the old marketing partners of Zerodha. And also one thing to remember, that my best tricks are only available to Zerodha club members. So you can join the Zerodha club at www.stockmaniacs.net/services/Zerodha-club. So once again I repeat, you can join Zerodha club at www.stockmaniacs.net/services/Zerodha-club. So the next point, first and foremost, you need a Zerodha account. So you need a running Zerodha account. To open a Zerodha account, you can directly call me at 9674321856. You can also SMS or WhatsApp me your name, email ID and mobile number to 9674321856 to my mobile number. You can also register your name, email ID and mobile number at www.stockmaniacs.net/services/Zerodha-club. So once I receive your name, mobile number and email ID, I'll send you forms for account opening. I'll send you the soft copy of forms for account opening. You need to just take the printouts of the form. You need to then fill up the form and send to address mentioned in my mail, and your account will be activated very soon. So one thing to tell you, you need not to fill the whole form. Just you fill up your phone number and email ID and sign wherever the signatures are needed. Just need to sign wherever the signatures are needed. So I'll just write over here, no need to fill up the whole form, just write your email ID and phone number and sign in the first holder if marked places. So that's all for the account opening form fill up. So once your account is activated, once your account is opened, you will receive your ID from Zerodha. You will receive your back office or queue password. You will receive your trading password. So you will receive basically two passwords. One is your back office or queue password and your trading password. Ideally, you will get your ID and password in 3 days after Zerodha receives your application. If you do not get your ID and password in time, you can also mail to support@zerodha.com. Now you can download and install the Pi platform from your back office situated at q.zerodha.com. So I will show you how to download Pi. You need to just open your back office q.zerodha.com. Here you will get the Pi. Here you will get the link to Pi. You can download Pi from here. There you will get a license key. So this license key is specific for you. So you can download Pi and you can install the Pi using this license key. So now, we have understood how to download Pi. So now how to transfer funds to your account? How to transfer funds to your account? You can transfer funds to your trading account using fund transfer page at www.zerodha.com. I will show you how. Here you can go to zerodha.com. Zerodha.com. There is a fund transfer page over here. So just come to below of the page, and here is a link to the fund transfer page. Here you can use the fund transfer page. There are the banks listed. The banks are listed. Also you can do NEFT for equity, FO and currencies. There is a bank account. Account name is Zerodha and the account details are being given there. Okay, this is the bank account for equity, FO and currencies, and there is another bank account for commodities. So the name of the account is Zerodha Commodities Private Limited. So you can do NEFT, you can transfer funds to NEFT, or you can deposit checks. So these are the procedure how you can transfer funds to Zerodha. Also you can transfer funds to NEFT or IMPS to the mentioned bank accounts. You can transfer funds from your bank to Zerodha or do a pay-in from your Kite or Pi platform. How to do a fund transfer from your Kite platform or Pi platform? Here, funds, you need to click on pay-in. You need to click on pay-in. So you can whatever bank you are enlisted over there, you can transfer funds to the desired segment. The account you need to write. You can transfer fund in this way. So you can transfer funds from your Kite or Pi platform. You can transfer fund back from Zerodha to your bank, or you can do a payout using your back office at q.zerodha.com. So here in Q, just go to the funds. Just go to the funds, and here you can withdraw the funds. You can withdraw the funds. Whatever is your withdrawable balance, you can withdraw the funds. Okay. So here I have given a small example, the screenshot of how you can do a pay-in using Pi. This is a screenshot of a pay-in using Kite. Same, you can log into kite.zerodha.com and there also you will get the funds. This is payout using Q. This is a screenshot of payout using Q. Now how to use Pi. The next I will show you how to use Pi, how to add scripts in Pi, how to open charts in Pi, how to add indicators into charts, how to place orders in Pi using bracket order or BO or cover order CO. Then I have given two links of bracket order video and cover order video, and my secret trick of tweaking the normal candles, changing them to Renko and Heiken Ashi, and using multiple time frame analysis. So now I'll just come to the pie chart. Here you can see this is a normal pie window. you can attach a symbol over here. You can select the market, Nifty future option, suppose future index or future VIX or future stock, whatever, or option index or option stock. Suppose I want to attach Bank Nifty future. So this is how Bank Nifty future is attached. Now if I want to attach futures, suppose Reliance future stock, Reliance, so future stock Reliance, and you can select the expiry Reliance. So this is how you can attach the symbols in Pi. Next, how to open charts in Pi. This is once again very simple. Just select the symbol you want to open the chart, right click and select charts, or you can click Shift plus C in your keyboard. Just select chart, select the periodicity. Suppose I will open a 5 minutes chart, so periodicity minute, interval 5. Now the number of days of the chart you want to attach. So I will select a 60 days chart. So the more the chart you have, the more the powerful your technical analysis will be. So I will just open the chart. Yeah, so this is the 5 minutes chart of Reliance opened for 60 continuous days. Now I'll go to this, how to add indicators into charts. You can attach indicators into charts using this study. You can also keep the particular using the study. Suppose you want to attach a Bollinger Band, so you can attach a Bollinger Band. I'll change the parameter to 22. So now see the Bollinger Band is attached. You can attach other indicators, like you can attach, suppose, relative strength index. So you can attach in relative strength index, suppose of 7 periods RSI. You can attach the RSI. So in this way you can attach the indicators into pie chart. Once again, how to place orders in pie. So plain and simple. You can, for order, you can put a buy order or a sell order. Normal order window will open. Okay, you need to disclose the quantity here, price, and what kind of order it is. If it is NRML, it is, you can take a delivery. If it is MIS, you need to square off within the day. Okay, now the order symbol, expiry, so order type, limit or market. Okay, so limit order will not be executed until and unless it comes to the price, comes to the order price, or market order can be executed immediately. Okay, so now you can submit. So this is how you can place a order. Similarly, you can place a sell order also. Yeah, so now the next point, using bracket order BO or cover order PO, cover order CO. So now for a bracket order, you can right click and click on bracket order, buy bracket order or sell bracket order, whatever direction you want to trade the particular script. Suppose I am giving buy bracket order. So now the order window has been opened. It is a similar order window like the previous order window, just there is something more in the below of the order window. So now suppose the all other things are same. The quantity, you can put your quantity. The price, you can put your price. Suppose you want to put a bracket order at 959 is the price. Bracket orders are by default limit orders. Now here below you are having square of cell. Square of cell means your target. Suppose you are putting a buy bracket order at 959, so your square of cell based on LTP, let's keep on LTP and keep on absolute mean points. Suppose I want to give a target of 5 points, so I'll write 5 over here, absolute 5 points. Or else I can put the target in ticks also. Suppose my Reliance tick means the minimum move that a security does. So Reliance futures minimum move is 5 paisa, so that means 1 tick equal to 5 paisa. So for 1 rupee it should advance by 20 ticks. So and once again for 5 points move it should advance by 5 into 20, that means 100 ticks. So if I put the same target here, so I need to put 100 ticks. Once again there is a stop loss cell. Same way I can put a 5 points stop loss, or I can put a 2 point stop loss depending on my risk appetite. Now similarly I can give a stop loss cell in ticks. Stop loss cell in ticks means same 5 points means 100 ticks. So same way, same. Now trailing stop loss, you can even put a trailing stop loss to lock in your gains. If you put a trailing stop loss, suppose you have given trailing ticks, suppose 20. So every 20 ticks rise, every 20 ticks rise means every 1 point rise, means your stop loss will move by 1 point. Okay, so this is how you can lock in your gains. Similarly, you can give a sell bracket order. Similarly, you can give a sell bracket order. Once again, there is a cover order, buy cover order or sell cover order. So cover orders are also there. Cover order is almost like bracket order. Just one thing is not missing, the square of cell or the target cell. So here you are getting only the stop loss. So stop loss range is given here. Suppose I am purchasing this Reliance at market price. I can give a trigger price of, suppose 962 is the current market price. I can give a trigger price of 955 or something like that. Now the more the trigger price is closer to the market price, the more margin I will get. The closer the trigger price to the market price, the more margin I will get. So you can check the margins over here. You can go to zerodha.com. Here in technology, you can go to technology, you can go to calculators, you can go to span calculator, click on BO and CO and find out the margin required. So suppose I'll check the margin required for Nifty. So NFO futures, I'll write down Nifty 31 March. Suppose the price is 7050 and quantities to trade 75. So suppose if I give a 20 point stop loss, so my stop loss is 7030 and I'll put a buy. So 20 point stop loss, calculate. So you can see I will only need rupees 9518 to trade one lot, that means 75 quantity Nifty, and I'll get a leverage of 55.6 times. So 55.6 times I can trade. If I have 1 rupee, I can trade 55.6 rupees. So this is a huge margin if I put a bracket order, cover order. So then I have given the links to bracket order video and a cover order video. Now we can also tweak the normal candles Renko and use, we can convert them to Renko and Heiken Ashi. Here actually you can convert Reliance. You can see these are normal candles. You can actually change the candles over here. You can put a Renko. Renko you can specify a box size. Suppose for Reliance I'll put a box size of say 2. So every 2 rupees per price movement it will create a box. It will create a box. So this is how you can actually change the price style to Renko. Once again you can change the price style. Here you can see there is much less whipsaw because in Renko charts the time value is not there, so it is only price value. So once again you can change the charts to Heiken Ashi. Heiken Ashi is once again a less whipsawed Japanese technique. So this is Heiken Ashi charts. So you can read more about Heiken Ashi in you can do a Google and you can read more about Heiken Ashi. So this is how you can change your charts to Heiken Ashi or Renko or something like that. So now I'll come to the next point, using multi-time frame analysis. So once again you can use multi-time frame analysis in Pi. Suppose here I am having a Reliance future 5 minutes chart. I can open another chart of Reliance future. Suppose I'll open a Reliance futures 30 minutes chart. Yeah, 30 minutes chart. I can use the same Heiken Ashi technique over here. Yeah, I can see the last 1 2 3 4 candles the price is on bull trend. So whenever the price changes to bull trend in current time frame, suppose here you get a price changes to bull trend, so you can take a long position because your longer time frame trend is in bull trend. Okay, is in bull trend. So same way you can trade Heiken Ashi. This is multi-time frame analysis using Heiken Ashi. Now I'll come to the next point. So almost we have covered Pi. Now I'll go to Kite. Same, how to add scripts in Kite, how to open charts in Kite, how to add indicators into charts. So now what I'll do, I'll just log out the Pi, because once you log into Kite it will automatically log out the Pi. I'll open Kite. Kite.zerodha.com. Just go to kite.zerodha.com. You can log in with your ID and password. You will be asked for some security questions. You need to put the security questions and it will open up your Kite dashboard. Once again you can add scripts to Kite. Suppose we will add Reliance cash chart. Then you can open the charts in Kite. Here just click on the charts, it will open the charts on the Kite. You can select your desired time frame. You can select your desired time frame 5 minutes or something like that. So you can attach indicators to Kite. I have already attached super trend indicator or Bollinger Band. I'll just delete. I'll just show you how to attach the indicators. I'll attach a Bollinger Band over here. So Bollinger Band is attached. You can delete an indicator just by clicking on the delete mark. I am having stochastic, MACD, RSI indicators already attached. So you can here you can attach these indicators or you can delete the indicators. So this is how you can attach the indicators. You can place orders in Kite. Just click on the B or S. If you click on the B, it will open up a buy order instance. Here you can put the quantity or the MIS or CNC. This is not NRable, this is CNC because this is a cash chart. Okay. Now once again you can place the order, you can close the order, you can put as limit, you can put as market. I have closed the order. Similarly you can put a sell order, you can put a sell order. So now you can use kite in regional languages. Just whenever you are into kite, make sure, here I will show you kite.zerodha.com. Just before logging in you can select your language. Here you see English, Hindi, likewise Bangla, Odia, these language, Gujarati, these languages are there. Kannada, these languages are there. So you can select your languages. Suppose I have selected Bengali, so you can select your languages and you can log in. So the details will be written on your particular mother tongue. So tweaking normal candles, once again here the chart types can be changed. Already I am having Heiken Ashi, so you can change Heiken Ashi, or you can change Renko. So whatever you like, you can give your box size. So Renko chart is there, it is much whips or less chart, so Renko chart is given there. Range bar charts are given there. Once again range bar is almost similar to Renko. The prices are the candles are formed not as per the time, the candles are formed as per the price movement. So once the price moves the specific box size, it will plot another candle. So this is how you can open the Heiken Ashi, Renko and range bar. Once again multi time frame analysis. You can suppose I am opening a Heiken Ashi chart of 5 minutes. I am popping out. Click on pop out. The chart will go to a new window in a new tab. Now I will open another chart of 30 minutes. I will attach the super trend. Study super trend. I'll suppose super trend create. So now I know my super trend, what is my super trend signal, what is my Heiken Ashi signal. The Heiken Ashi signals are bullish. So once again here, whenever in the shorter time frame, in the 5 minutes time frame, whenever I will see bullish candles in Heiken Ashi, I can go for a long signal, I can go for a long trade. So this is how you can trade using multi time frame analysis. You can also use Kite, is a browser based platform. So I am opening the Kite in Firefox or Google Chrome. So it is a browser based platform, so you can use the same Kite in mobile phones or tabs. So you can be in your office, but you can check the charts, you can use the indicators, everything is possible from on the go actually. Now the 10th point, you can refer and earn in Zerodha. You can refer your friends from your back office queue. Here I will show you the back office. There is a refer option. The refer option, you can refer your friend. You are just right now if you are happy with Zerodha, you may be referring your friends to Zerodha, but you are not getting any portion of your friends trading. But here if you refer him into Kite, the trade, the brokerage they are generating, you are getting 10% of the brokerage. So this is the power of referral. You just need to put the name of friend, email of friend and phone number of friend, mobile of friend. Once you submit, it will directly be submitted to Zerodha. The friend will be mapped under you, and you can get a small percentage. You can get a 10% of the brokerages done by your referrals. Now I'll show you the power of referrals. Suppose you have referred 50 friends. Each of your referrals execute 5 trades per day. So your total earnings per day, each and every trader is doing 5 into 20 rupees brokerage, that means 100 rupees brokerage. Now you are getting 10% of it, so you are getting 10 rupees per referral, into multiplied by 50 equal to rupees 500 per day. Your total earning per day equals to rupees 500. So your total earning per month equal to rupees 500 into 22 trading days equal to rupees 11,000. So this is not bad. You are getting your office expenses, you are getting your internet expenses, you are getting your AC expenses from the referrals only. So this is a way to spread your wings and put all your friends into your referral. So this is, I have shown you a screenshot of how you can refer your friends here. There are sales and support offered by us, Stock Maniacs. Stock Maniacs, as a leading marketing partner of Zerodha, offers support to our clients. So you can, in the market hour support, you can join live chat at www.stockmaniacs.net, or you can call 03365482883. You can call 9432883838. You can also call 983638484. So these are our market hour support helplines. For sales enquiries, you can directly call me in the sales, for the sales enquiries. For opening up an account in Zerodha, you can directly give me a call 96743218856. Or if you are out of India, you want to buzz me in WhatsApp, you can buzz me in WhatsApp in +91 96743218856. Here I want to announce something new. You need to watch out for my next video. I am coming up with my next video, and the video is on how to tame the volatility. The market is always volatile. So yes, volatility can be your friend. In my next video, I am going to discuss my secret technique, the 3 points Nifty Trader, my high frequency trading guide to earn guaranteed profit of rupees 4125 to rupees 16,500 per day. Yes, many of traders are already established with me, with Indrajit Mukherjee, using these kind of techniques, using simple tricks, and you can be one of them. You can also start earning rupees 4125 to rupees 16,500 per day using a simple technique called the 3 points Nifty Trader. And this technique is a secret only for the Zerodha Club members. For getting the secret link, I have not yet published the link, but you can give me a call at 96743218856 to get the secret link. So once again, I'll repeat, you can call me at 96743218856 to get the secret link. So once again, I'll repeat, you watch the 3 points Nifty Trader, and it's a thank you from the entire Stock Maniacs team. It's a thank you from Indrajit Mukherjee, the founder of stockmaniacs.net. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.